Hi guys, welcome to Code Easy, where we make coding easy. So thank you for the response. So I would like to continue with the next one. So let us see this problem statement. It goes like, write a program to print the Fibonacci numbers. So now Fibonacci numbers means like the numbers like 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, so on. So if you look closely, so to understand this problem statements, so we need to understand what are these Fibonacci series. See, so the two numbers 0 and 1, so a series of numbers in which each number is the sum of the two preceding numbers. That means, so these are the two numbers, right? 0 and 1. And when you do the sum of these two numbers, that is 0 plus 1, the answer will be 1. Now, next what we will do, I will take these two numbers. Now I'll add these two numbers, 1 plus 1, the next preceding number will be 2. Correct? So next what I will do, I'll add these two, 1 plus 2, it is 3. Correct? Now next I'll add 3 plus 5, that is 8. 8 is my result. So the series goes like this, and this we call it as a Fibonacci numbers. So how we can achieve this using a programming language? We'll see. It's very simple. So if you can understand the logic, it's very simple. First, what I need to do, I want to print these two because these two cannot be changed. So I'll start by printing these two. I'll just print this system.out.println. So before that, I'll save that in n1 is equal to 0 and int n2 is equal to 1, because I want to print those two, right? So inside my printing statement, so I'll put n1. So I want to add space in between both of them. So add some space and concatenate that with n2. Correct? So now if I print, my two values will come. If you can see the screen, see 0 and 1 is there. Now 0 and 1 came. So next what I will do, from here I'll take one for loop. For loop is used for looping. Now I don't want to start from 0th index. I want to start from second index, because I don't want these two elements to be printed, because it's already printed in the printing statement. So I'll take it from int I equals to 2. That means 0th index is the 0th index is, this is my 0th index, this is my first index, this is my from here I'm taking. Okay, from here I'm taking. So I is equal to 2, and I want 10 numbers exactly. So I'll make it as I is less than 10. Okay, so I'll iterate the value of I. So my for loop work in such a way that this statement will execute first, then it will check for the condition, then it will enter into the for loop. Then when the for loop is executed, then incrementation will happen. Okay, so we'll go next. We'll see here. So inside this, what I will do now, my main motto is to add these two, 0th index and first index. So my 0th index value is there in n1 and first index value is there in n2. So what I will do, n1 plus n2, correct? n1 plus n2, and I'll save that in a variable called sum, int sum. So I've taken this variable and I've saved in sum, correct? So now what happened here, my sum value becomes this one, 0 plus 1, 1 will become my sum. So straight away I'll go and print that. I'll just give some space because I want to maintain that space. So plus I'll put as sum. Now first three numbers are printed, but I want to take this to further. I want to continue my execution so that I can print the other number also. So what I will do over here, so this 2 is there, right? I want to print this 2. Now I want to neglect this 0th index, then I want to take first index and second index value. So for that, what I will do, obviously my third index value is there in sum, correct? So I can show you like this here. So this one I'm neglecting now, this one I'm neglecting. So this index, that is first index, is there in N2, then 0, 1, 2, second index is there in, obviously it's there in sum. So now can I interchange the values here? Yes, I can do. So how can I do that? So I'll show you. Now what I will do, so whatever the value which is present in N2, I will give it to N1. I'll make it as N1. So I'll do like N2, whatever the value is there in N2, that I will give it to N1. Okay, now all the values which are there in N2, the value which was there in N2, it will save in N1, correct? In the same way, the value which is there in sum, with the value which is there in sum, I will save it in, I'll save it in N2. Okay, now again my iteration happens, So if I run the program, I don't wanna print the next line, so I'll remove the cell in ln means next line, that's it. So I'll just remove this next line so that it will print in one straight line. See, 0 0 0 1 1 2 3 5 8. See, it's adding the numbers, it's adding the series of numbers. So a series of numbers in which each number is the sum of the two preceding numbers. That is what happening here. So let me explain one more time. So cleanly, now I have taken 0, 1 in two separate variables, and after that what I did, I started iterating from here. So I added these two elements and I kept inside sum. Now I printed that sum. Now my intention is, I don't want this, because already I want to take these two and I want to add these two. So this one was present in N2, right? This one was present in N2 and this one was present in sum, correct? Now this was present in N1. So I don't want N1. So N2 value I will give to N1, sum value I will give to M2, correct? So then the next for loop, again this is neglected, these three will be considered, again this is neglected, these three will be considered. So it will go like this. Now I am only printing till 10 values. So if you want, you can also have 20. Just see what is the output. Yeah, you can see, right? So 20 numbers are here. So my range has changed. If I put this as 15 numbers are gonna print. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. So comment below. So next, which program I want to explain, you just comment below. According to that, I'll bring the tutorials for you. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for tuning into QDC. So more exciting videos are on the line. So stay tuned. Thank you. Happy coding.